Agentic search lets language models reason and retrieve, but reinforcement learning only provides a sparse, final answer reward. Denser supervision usually means distilling from proprietary models, but that hits two walls. Hidden logits and mismatched tokenizers break logit matching, while copying raw traces forces the student to mimic verbose teacher styles, causing severe drift and hallucination. Enter MAPD, multi-agent protocol distillation. Instead of free-form text, MAPD uses a structured, style-normalized JSON protocol as an intermediate representation. Offline, a multi-agent system decomposes queries, runs parallel searches, repairs failed retrieval steps, and outputs a clean protocol containing the task type, reasoning plan, and strictly extractive grounding facts. During training, this protocol acts as privileged information fed only to a conditioned branch of the student policy. The model learns via joint optimization, sparse outcome-based GRPO reinforcement learning paired with dense online policy self-distillation. Since both branches share the same tokenizer and parameters, we align them using reverse KL divergence, completely bypassing cross-model vocabulary mismatches. The protocol decouples cognitive strategy from linguistic surface patterns, so the student internalizes the reasoning architecture without inheriting verbosity. Results are sharp. Across 7 knowledge-intensive benchmarks, MAPD pushes QN3-1, 7B to 39.4% and QN3-4B to 44.4% success rates, consistently beating hybrid RL and gated distillation baselines. It generalizes seamlessly across Claude, GPT, and Gemini teachers without retuning, because the JSON format abstracts away model-specific idiosyncrasies. All processing happens offline at roughly 5 cents per instance, leaving inference zero overhead. MAPD proves that bridging the proprietary to open-source gap isn't about copying trajectories. It's about distilling structured reasoning protocols. By separating strategy from style, we achieve dense, stable supervision that actually scales. The code is open source and highly recommended for anyone working on agentic alignment.